Why is the US dollar so strong? What makes it the world's #1 currency? The US dollar is the world's reserve currency. This is no joke. Over $1.8 trillion in US dollars is circulating worldwide, with the majority of it held outside the United States. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, when global markets were in turmoil, the US dollar remained rock solid. This proves its absolute strength. The US is the world's largest economy and a safe haven. When markets become unstable, investors flock to safe assets, and the US dollar is the king among them. The relative political and economic stability of the US reinforces trust in the dollar, making it an ideal destination for global investors. It serves as an impregnable fortress during economic storms. The dollar's history and role in the global financial system. From World War II to the Bretton Woods Agreement, the US dollar has continually strengthened its position. Even though it abandoned the gold standard in 1971, it remains dominant thanks to an efficient banking system and massive transaction volumes. The US dollar is the global trade language. Most international transactions, especially in commodities trade, metals, energy, agriculture, etc., are conducted in US dollars. Imagine an Indian company selling goods to a Canadian store. Would they use rupees or Canadian dollars? Absolutely not. They would use US dollars, the universally accepted common language of trade. Dependence and political influence. The world's heavy reliance on the US dollar creates both opportunities and challenges. The US can leverage the dollar's power as a political tool, such as imposing economic sanctions. This has raised concerns about monetary dominance, pushing some countries to explore alternatives. However, replacing the dollar is an incredibly difficult and long-term process. In summary, the US dollar is strong because of economic power, historical dominance, and convenience in trade. But will this dominance last forever? Stay tuned.